Greetings and thank you for joining me for this guided imagery exercise, a walk in the forest. Just begin by getting comfortable, either in a seated position or you can be lying down on the floor or on a yoga mat or even in your bed or on your couch. Just allowing yourself to get comfortable. Allow whatever you're sitting or lying down upon to really support your body. Just take a couple of nice, slow, deep breaths. And as you exhale, imagine yourself just letting go more and more, allowing the surface to support more and more of your weight. Almost melting into it. You may want to close your eyes, or you can leave them open with a soft gaze, perhaps looking down at your lap or at the floor. And just allow your breath to come naturally. And we'll begin by simply imagining that you find yourself in a meadow at the edge of a forest. And you're walking toward a very inviting path into the forest. Hearing the birds singing. Feeling a slight breeze. The path is a wide one, spread with pine needles. It's a really nice scent. And you begin walking into the forest. Noticing as you do all that surrounds you. Noticing what the ground feels like as you take each step. Unlike walking on concrete or packed gravel, the ground is soft in the forest. There's a give to it. Allow yourself to enjoy that. To notice what is on the sides of the path. Perhaps there are ferns or wildflowers growing at the base of the trees. Perhaps there are rocks with moss. Notice too all of the colors that surround you as you take this walk. The browns, the grays, the whites of the bark, the many shades of green. Notice the way that the sun slants in through the trees, lighting up some of the parts of the path ahead of you. As you walk, allow each step to be a letting go. Letting go of thoughts about the future, plans, worries. Letting go of reviewing earlier conversations. And just being very present to where you are in this forest, in this moment. Hearing the songs of birds in the forest. Perhaps noticing a distant sound of a babbling brook. Becoming aware of what the air feels like as it hits your skin. Noticing ahead of you a large tree, a magnificent tree. Limbs spread out wide, strong base. A tree that's been growing here for 100 years or more, undisturbed. Able to sway when the wind becomes strong, but rooted deeply in the earth. You may notice that there's a place at the base of this tree that looks like it would be very comfortable. Sit down and lean against. If you feel so moved, you may want to do that now. Imagine yourself sitting down, settling in, leaning back against the trunk of the tree. Taking in a deep breath, and as you let it out, imagining that you too are rooted like the tree. That you too can sway when the wind blows without breaking. Allow yourself to rest against this magnificent tree, simply to relax. As you breathe in the aromas of the forest, that rich, earthy combination of smells. And when you're ready, you can simply arise from the base of the tree and continue walking, either deeper into this beckoning forest path, or you may want to walk back out into the meadow. We'll be closing the exercise in just a moment, but you may want to continue on in your imagination, out in nature, or you may want to return, bringing back with you any feelings of contentment or renewal, carrying them with you into the rest of your day or into your sleep. Thank you